Good morning. I got asked this question this morning. I thought, you know what? I'm going to answer this question. And the guy who asked me this question is a gentleman by the name of Mark Laporta. So, Mark, thank you very much for asking me this question. The question is, what percentage of posts on Quora are actually paid advertisements, sponsored posts, or promoted posts? Depending upon what platform you're in is the format here. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to answer Mark's question about Quora, but I'm also going to answer it in the context of LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram, because in many different ways, we are all on these different types of platforms. So on Quora, what percentage of the posts are actually paid? Well, let's go take a look at this. I'm going to hit refresh. I'm on Quora's homepage, and by the way, this applies to whether or not I'm on desktop or mobile for the most part. So let's start from the top. The first one is questions for you, and there's two of them there. Then the second one is posted by Honeybee, and then I got sponsored. So you would think it's every third, but that's not the case. Watch this. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one is sponsored. Look, I think it's every fifth. Let's do two more to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sponsored by Grubhub. And one last one. Questions for you is 1. This is an entire post right here where Quora is saying these are questions that it thinks I may want to answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5. So on Quora, every fifth post, which makes it about 20%. 20% of the content on Quora is paid post or sponsored post. Let's go look at LinkedIn. I'm going to hit refresh on LinkedIn, make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. Here's the first post, and then the second post is a promoted post. But that's just the normal lead in is to get a promoted post up front. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth one's promoted. Let's do this one more time. I don't know if this is a right count. Let's do it again. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Promoted again. Let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4 is promoted. So it looks like 25% of the content on LinkedIn, I'm going to just do one more count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 25% of the content on LinkedIn is promoted posts, paid advertisements. Now let's go to Facebook. I'm going to hit refresh. All right, 1, 2. The second one is a sponsored post. 1, 2, 3. That's a promoted post. Do one more count. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do one more just to show you that I think it's 33%. 1, 2, 3. 1/3, 33% of the content that we see on Facebook are ads. That is probably the highest number I have seen to date. 33%. Every third post on Facebook is an ad. Man, we're paying to use that platform, that's for sure, by allowing them to jam that much content in our face. Let's go look at Instagram. I'm going to hit refresh. On Instagram, my first one, second one, third is a promoted. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's every fifth once the routine gets in place. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So every fifth post on Instagram, which is 20% of the content on Instagram, are ads. That's way better than Facebook, a little bit better than LinkedIn, and comparable to Quora. So Mark, in summary, this is what I found out about Quora. 20% of the content on Quora are ads or promoted or sponsored posts. And because I wanted to go do LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram, LinkedIn, 25%, or every fourth post is a promoted post. On Facebook, 33%, or every third post is a promoted post. And Instagram is back to 20%, or every fifth post on Instagram is a promoted post. Mark, thank you very much for asking me this question. Then, by the way, I'm doing this November 17th of 2025. I can guarantee you it'll change again in the next few months. I'm Teddy. My purpose is to help you overcome the risks and fears of using technology, and I hope this information is useful for you.